We're going to have a go with the hedge trimmer attachment today. We've got the main unit set up now and it works. Depending what order you're watching these videos in, you might have already seen it in action. So first things first then, we need to get the hedge trimmer attachment itself and then the correct pole to attach it to. To help you out, it has got these stickers on and it even says hedge trimmer attachment. So what we're going to do is get it attached to the main unit and then attach the hedge trimmer to the other end, and I'll try and get this as good as I can on video for you guys. First thing we want to do then is get the pole into the unit. I've put a little bit of oil around the end of this to help it slide in. Then you want to pull this little pin out and twist it so it stays out. And then this is the hard part of trying to line this hole up. The part you've pulled out, it might be easier to draw yourself a little line on if you've got a marker pen. Just trying to guide it in there into the right spot. And it's trying to push it in so that locks, which it is now done, so I can't pull that out as you can see. And then I'm going to put your little knob in there, twist that to tighten it up. Just gives it that extra bit of security that it's not going to go anywhere. And that's part one. So we've now got to do a similar thing with the hedge trimmer attachment itself. Don't do what I did. As you can see, I've got a hole here underneath and I've got a little mark there above, which is where I tightened it up in the wrong spot. So on the trimmer attachment itself, again, you've got two little nuts. The top one you want to line up with that hole and then we tighten it, and the bottom one's to kind of clamp it in place. So we're going to try and slide that on now. Again, just be careful and don't rush it like I did the first time. Then again, it might be worthwhile, once you've got it lined up, to maybe put a little mark on the pole and the hedge trimmer so they can line up, which I think is what I'll probably do once I've got it in position again. And then use your small Allen key that came in the toolkit to tighten that up. And again, with the bottom piece, just to clamp it into place. So that's all attached now, as you can see. So the only other thing in terms of setting up is if you want to change the angle. And to do that, it's nice and easy. There's a little trigger at the bottom here, and another one at the top. You can't move the top one without releasing the bottom one. So you hold the bottom one in, push the top one, and then you can change to the desired angle. Let go and make sure it pops into place, and that is nice and secure. So that was the hedge trimmer in action. I'm very, very happy with that, to be honest. Did what I needed it to do. Did a little video of it being used just so you could see it in action. No issues from me there. I know I didn't do the best job. It was just to quickly show you guys it working. Most fiddly part was getting it together, but now it's together, you shouldn't really have to take it apart because obviously it's on its own pole, like I say, for the hedge trimmer. If, for example, now we wanted to use the strimmer, all I would do is undo it from here and attach this one from this side, so I don't need to take any of the ends off. I can literally just swap the poles over. So hope this has cleared any problems you might have had, or if you just wanted to see it working, and hope it's helped you out basically. Any questions though, pop them in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.